What's up, guys? So this is the last update on the Cutlerylover knife, the Swordtail. The pre-orders are supposed to stop today. Today is May 10th, but I talked with the company and they said they can extend it to the 13th. Okay, so Monday, May 13th will be the very last day that you can pre-order the Cutlerylover Swordtail. I had a lot of people say that, they were kind of interested, but they just, how pay works, I didn't give a lot of advance notice. I do apologize for that. There were people who wanted to, be able to get one next month or maybe the month after. They have certain dates that are open for these companies to actually do the manufacturing. That's why there was a little bit of a shorter window there for the pre-orders to get in. But yeah, it's been extended a couple days, which is great for anyone who wants to get in last second. Monday, May 13th will be the very last day for pre-orders. And I also want to thank everyone again who was interested in these and who already placed a pre-order. Of course, once the final production version is done and they're being sent out to all the people, I'm probably going to do another update showing what it looks like. And thanks again to everyone else as well. I mean, even if you're not interested in this particular knife, just everyone's so positive and there's so much support. I really appreciate it. So that's it. Hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.